I don't know, 3 o'clock in the freaking morning, and I'm lying in bed, flipping my pillow around in frustration. I'm trying to stay hopeful that I can catch a few hours of shut-eye before I have to get up. But I've been through this enough times to know the beast of insomnia can't always be tamed. I'm not alone. Insomnia is incredibly common in the United States. According to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, about 30% of American adults have some type of insomnia, and it's more common in women than in men. For anyone out there who has developed an expertise in fruitlessly counting sheep, we've rounded up a few strategies for finally catching those long-lost ZZZs. And if you're reading this at 3 a.m. because your mind won't stop racing, don't worry. We have tips for what you can do right now to improve your chances of getting, at least some, sleep. What is insomnia? Insomnia is the inability to fall asleep, stay asleep, or get the amount of sleep you need to wake up feeling rested. Insomnia can be acute, lasting 1 to several nights, or chronic, occurring 3 times a week for at least 3 months. Trusted source: its symptoms include difficulty falling asleep, frequent wake-ups during the night, waking up too early in the morning, daytime sleepiness, difficulty concentrating, irritability. The causes of insomnia range from a variety of underlying medical or psychiatric conditions to medication side effects to simple lifestyle factors. So a little detective work is your first step. Try some of the tips below to rule out lifestyle factors that may be behind your sleeplessness. Insomnia is no joke. It can reduce your life expectancy and increase your risk of heart problems, compromised immunity, obesity, diabetes, seizures, and asthma. It's probably well worth the effort to make some changes now to improve your sleep. Change your sleep environment. One possible reason you're not getting enough rest is that your bedroom isn't optimally set up for sleep. The ideal climate is cool, dark, and comfortable. 1. Invest in a good mattress and pillows. Uncomfortable bedding can lead to poorer sleep quality. A comfortable mattress increases your chances of a satisfying snooze. Check out the National Sleep Foundation's tips on choosing the right pillow. 2. Dim the lights before you go to bed. Exposure to bright lights just before bed might negatively affect your chance of getting quality and quantity sleep. Light suppresses the secretion of melatonin, the hormone that influences your circadian rhythms and tells your body it's night-night time. Assuming you don't want to sit in the dark for hours, find the happy medium by dimming the lights as bedtime draws near. Also, consider changing your light bulbs to ones with a color temperature of less than 3000 kelvins. These soft or warm varieties can reduce the light's effects on your nervous system. 3. Turn off screens. The artificial or blue light emitted by screens can disrupt your body's preparations for sleep by stimulating daytime hormones. Reduce your exposure by turning off TVs, phones, and computers at least an hour before bedtime. If you can't get away from blue lights before bedtime, consider making a small investment in blue light blocking glasses. Can't sleep, but don't want to give up late-night TV? At least dim the screen's brightness, either manually or with the help of automated programs. 4. Minimize disturbing noises. Some outside noises, like a busy street or a neighbor's barking dog, are beyond your control. Cover them up with the sound of a bedside fan, a white noise machine, or other sounds that help with sleep. 5. Keep it dark and cool. A dark, cool bedroom environment helps to promote restful sleep. Program the thermostat so that your bedroom's temperature is between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Experiment to find out what temperature works best for you. Use heavy curtains, blackout shades, or an eye mask to block lights. Charge your phone and laptop outside the bedroom, Even the tiny bit of light from a charging device can disrupt sleep. 6. Ban work from the bedroom. Beds should be used only for sleep and sex, nothing else. Bringing work into the bedroom is a surefire way to discourage quality sleep. Get into a sleep routine. Prime your body with the same sleep-promoting activities each day. Eventually, they'll become a habit, and so will awesomely restful sleep. 7. Stick to a schedule. Try to stay on the same sleep-wake schedule, even on weekends. If your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. Monday through Friday, set it for the same time on Saturday and Sunday. The early alarm might make you groan, but you'll sleep better for it. 10. Don't smoke. Need another reason to quit? Smokers commonly exhibit symptoms of insomnia, possibly because their bodies go into nicotine withdrawal during the night. 11. Exercise. Moderate aerobic activity can improve both sleep quality and quantity. For best results, exercise at least 3 hours before bed so your body has enough time to wind down before you hit the sack. 12. Limit caffeine. It's tempting to reach for coffee when you're tired after a poor night's sleep, but drinking caffeine can make it harder for you to fall asleep at night, creating a vicious cycle. 13. Try relaxation techniques. You've probably heard that meditation seems to be good for us in just about every possible way. One meta-analysis found that people who practiced meditation saw improvements in total sleep time and sleep quality. Other relaxation strategies like yoga, deep breathing, and progressive relaxation are also effective tools for promoting good sleep. 14. Avoid large meals late in the evening. A big meal before bedtime could leave you too stuffed to sleep. Just getting horizontal can create that burning feeling in your throat. Everything slows down during the night, too, and it's probably not great to have all that food sitting around in your digestive system. 15. Don't drink alcohol right before bed. Booze might seem like an obvious choice for calming down pre-bedtime, but it can actually disrupt sleep cycles later in the night. You don't have to give up the good stuff completely. Just drink it with dinner, around 6 o'clock, and skip the nightcap. 16. Turn off your brain. Don't work, watch super-stimulating TV shows or movies, read complex material, or think too hard about anything before bedtime. See above about getting away from your screens. Working out your brain keeps your body awake. 17. Have sex or masturbate before bed. Hey, anything for a good night's rest. Getting your face on pre-bedtime can help you fall asleep. Why not?